Hello everyone, welcome to Windows Wednesday. Today we will discuss how we can connect our Android device with our Windows 10 laptop. There's a built-in application already installed on Windows 10 called Your Phone, which allow us to connect our iPhone as well as our Android device with our laptop, and we can open apps as we do on our mobile phone. So to open this app, search Your Phone, and first you need to connect a link your mobile device with your laptop. So to perform that, click on New Link Device and follow the process. Now it allows you to connect iPhone and Android both, but I will explain the difference in the details. What is the difference between Android and iPhone? But we are going to use Android for this demo. So you also need to install Your Phone companion link to Windows app on your mobile device as well. Now once you install on a mobile device, click yes and click open QR code, and when on the next screen, when it prompt you to scan the QR code, open your companion app phone on your mobile device and scan that code. This scanning function will allow you to link your mobile phone with your laptop, but they have to be on a same Wi-Fi connection. If they are in a different network, it will not work. So you do that, you open the app, you scan the code, it will recognize your device and it will log you in, and the link will be developed between your laptop as well as your mobile device. Now you will have to log in using the same Microsoft account on your mobile phone as well as on your laptop. In this scenario, I'm using my MSN email address. So it's also important that you should be connecting with using the same account on both devices. So as soon as you've done the process, your device is connected. Now under the feature, it will give you so many different options. Some of the options are disabled by default, so I'm gonna allow copy and paste between my phone and my PC. And if I go down further, I will have option to make and receive phone calls as well. Some of the function already there, so I'm gonna allow this app to make and manage phone calls. So once I do that, everything has been activated. So if I go to personalization, it gives me other options which of course I can customize. It's entirely up to you how you want to customize your application. And if I go back to my main screen here, if I click on apps, all the apps that I have it installed on my mobile phone are all showing here. So if I want to access any app that I don't need to pick up my mobile phone and open, I can always click in here and open the app, and I can perform the same feature what I normally perform on my mobile phone. So it's not broadcasting your screen, it's actually opening that app on your Windows 10 machine. So when you double click on the app, it might ask you in the beginning to allow some notifications or allow some connection because you're using it for the first time. But once the application is open, you can use that app using your mobile, using your Windows 10 machine instead of picking up your mobile phone and perform some action. So you can use any app, WhatsApp, Facebook, or any app that you want to access. You can always do it from here as well. It's entirely up to you how you want to do this. So to make a phone call, you can always double click on a phone icon and the dial pad will appear as an app on your Windows 10 machine, and you will be able to dial a number. But there are two different ways to make and receive phone calls. This is one way, opening an app and then dial a number, and there is another way which I will show you a bit later, how you can use your companion app on your Windows 10 to make and receive phone calls. So the other feature will allow you to make calls but differently. You don't have to open an app. So it's entirely up to you. As you can see all the list of available application, now you can open any application and perform any task that you normally do on your mobile phone. If I click on a call option, it's asking me to set up, because I'm using it for the very first time. I have to set up using a Bluetooth pairing request. So I have to accept some of the feature on my mobile phone. As you can see on my screen, I have to allow some access rights. So my phone my laptop can make and receive phone calls directly. So once the setting is completed, as you can see, it's connected to my Samsung device, is pairing it. This is the Windows 10 Bluetooth pairing function. So you need to make sure that the Bluetooth is switched on. If your Bluetooth is not working or switched off, this functionality will not work. Once it's fully configured, you will get a notification on your mobile phone, as you can see on my screen, and you will be able to make and receive a phone call from your company, your phone app, from your laptop, and all the call list, the call that you have made and received are showing on your screen. You can also access your photos. The benefit of accessing photos is you can drag and drop onto your desktop without even using any other method. You can send and receive messages, and if you click on open settings on your phone option, it will also show you all the notifications which are showing on your laptop. So if I take a screenshot, which I'm taking it right now on my phone, as soon as I do that, the another notification will appear on my screen, as you can see. So it shows the real-time notification and the information from your phone onto your machine. If you would like to disconnect the link of your mobile device, you have to go on settings, click my devices, click on three dots, and you have option to deactivate. But it's up to you whether you want to do that. So there are, as I said in the beginning, there are features available by default. You have to enable some of the features. If you want to turn off the transparency effect on the Windows 10, because if the options are there are so many different options available for you to choose from. It's entirely up to you how you want to use it. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you want me to cover any other topic, leave the comment down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.